So we have another short video for you today. We are working on the GX460 and we have issues with our battery post corroding. As you can see, we definitely have corrosion happening. And so we're going to be using a product today called Steel Camel Thread and Post. And it is electrically safe grease and a corrosion inhibitor. And so we're going to give this all a clean up and we're going to come back and use this product. Alright, we have the battery all cleaned up. We have the terminals cleaned up as best as I can make it. And we are now going to pop this open. This has a nice little goop on it. So we're just going to do a little bit of painting. I'm going to make sure I get in these corners because that seems to be where most of the trouble starts. Then I'm going to put a little bit on there, but I can't hold the phone while doing it. And then we'll pop it on. Alright, there's the final results. We got our thread and post on there. Everything's all good to go. And yeah, good stuff. Definitely stuff to use if you don't want stuff to corrode anymore.